You've heard me say in the past that Saved Search might be one of my favorite features in LionO360. Not only is this feature rich and a really powerful way to create custom searches, but at the same time, it is a module that we are always expanding. And in this version of LionO360, we've given even more reach to Saved Search in a couple of great ways. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to save this search and I'm going to call it Vendors Intelligence. This probably gives away where I'm going here. We can always set our access permissions, but in the module selector, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select vendors. Yes, we have the ability to bring back and show custom vendor search information. Let's go ahead and add a parent rule, and I'll just go down here and say, maybe the vendor name has value. And I'll save this and then save the search. Now we have a list of all of our vendors, where from here we can maximize and then bring back all of that rich column information that makes Saved Search so great. Maybe we want some general information, or maybe some custom fields that we've saved in vendor details or in any of these payment details. Very easy for you to select a whole bunch of columns that make sense to you, bring them back in here, and then make powerful use of those columns in the filtering and the grouping and the ordering. This is a great addition to Saved Search, and it helps you manage and analyze vendor intelligence in an even better way. As you may have seen here, we also have added locations to Saved Search. I've done the same thing with locations as you just watched me do with vendors. And so from here, very similarly, we can dive into all of that rich column data, bring back all of those custom fields, maybe some information that is important to you that you can then use as columns to analyze. And again, don't forget that powerful filtering option where we can select any of the column settings, any of the data that we have inside the search, filter it down, and then pivot that data in real time, group it, order it. Locations, vendors, new additions to Saved Search, and it's just part of an ever growing and ever evolving, already great product. Check out Saved Search. If this is something that you're using, great. If not, maybe this is something that you can look into and see if it can be used to make efficiencies in your organization. We invite you to take a look one way or the other.